In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn on AirPods Max without case. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, it's important to understand that the AirPods Max do not have a standard on or off button, so you will not be able to press a dedicated button to turn them on or turn them off. Essentially, the first time that you take them out of the smart case, they will be powered on and they will remain powered as long as they have sufficient battery, of course. So essentially, the answer to the question in the title of this video is that they will always be powered on as long as they have sufficient battery. As weird as this may seem, they will manage their own power consumption and enter low power mode as needed. So immediately upon unboxing your AirPods Max for the first time and putting them in close proximity of a device like an iPhone, they will automatically connect. So you will see a message like this. If they don't, make sure that they are sufficiently charged. And if you want to connect to something like an Android device through Bluetooth, then you have to press this physical button highlighted here. Afterwards, go to the Bluetooth settings on that device and you will be able to connect. Regardless of which connection mode you pick, they will remain powered on, and like I said, they will automatically manage the power consumption. So there is no way to turn them off completely, and there is no way to turn them on through a button. You simply take them out of the smart case once, and immediately upon doing this, you are good to go. But even if you don't have the case with you and you only have the AirPods Max, they will remain on, so you don't have to worry. When you set them on any surface and you aren't using them, they will enter low power consumption mode after roughly 5 minutes to conserve battery, so you don't have to spend time powering them on and off. They will automatically connect once they are in close proximity of any compatible device or when you set them into Bluetooth pairing mode. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on AirPods Max without case. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.